Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have Power BI service access and the workspace role that allows sharing. Once confirmed, open the report or dashboard in the Power BI service and sign in. Make sure to decide whether you need a report link, a dashboard link, or a single tile link. That determines later steps. Next, verify the target audience, internal users versus external, and whether row-level security or sensitivity labels apply. This prepares you to select the correct sharing and link options without rework. Now you generate the actual link. Click Share on the dashboard or File Embed for reports. Choose Copy Link for internal sharing or Secure Embed for controlled external use. Once you pick the option, configure permissions, view only versus edit, allow recipients to reshare, and set expiration or password if available. Make sure to inspect URL parameters for Chromeless or filter if you want a tailored view. After configuring, test the link in an incognito window to confirm behavior before distributing to users. Finish by sharing the validated link through Teams, email, or your documentation portal and include short access guidance. Once distributed, monitor access and usage and adjust workspace permissions or regenerate the link if a security issue arises. If someone reports they can't open the link, first confirm their Power BI license and workspace role, then check row-level security and sensitivity label restrictions. If problems persist, revoke the link. Correct settings and create a fresh link. That often resolves hidden permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.